Good morning, guys. It's morning, and I just water my plant, and this is the situation here. And my husband just leave the slipper here, but I need to show you something. I don't see my dancing bird for a while, but today he's here. See my dancing bird? It looks like he's getting old, and he's always calm in there, admiring herself. Look at her. That's a mirror there, and that's what she do. Morning and in the late afternoon, and sometimes she come like 5 times. So whenever I see her, I just don't go outside. I just wait till he leaves. Till she leaves. So, and I even put a brick in there so she can jump into another mirror. So that's the bird. I call her my bird now. he's been doing She's been doing this for like as long as I can remember. And that mirror there, it's been there for quite a couple years already. So she's been there looking herself in the mirror, and I cannot move that table away. I was gonna put that here by my door and put my barbecue stand, my little barbecue. But then she don't have a table to stand on. Okay, I let her do her business, and I'm about to get ready also myself because I work today. I just water my plant outside. Let me see if she's still there. Oh, I think she's gone. So anyways, I'm just trying to clear up my kitchen because I like to come home with a clean kitchen. It's not nice. You come home and you're tired and you see right away when I get inside the house, I saw this place here mess. My husband don't really do something in the kitchen, so whatever I left in the kitchen, it's there when I come home. If I leave a plate right here, you know, when I come home, the plate's still gonna be there. So, and I've been busy lately, and I bring some of the mango at work. And okay, guys, I have to get ready now. I need to take my shower and up to work. Hello, everybody. Hello, world. And good night to the other side of the world. And good morning also to the other side of the world. And it's already 6:55 right now. I'm in the morning, and I'm kinda, well, it's not really late because I got up at 5:30, and sometime I just wandering around, make my coffee and do this and that. And I'm trying, I'm always give like, to go to work is like 30 minutes, but then I put another 30 minutes or 45 minutes on top of that because we don't know what's going on in the road. Sometimes it's traffic, sometimes it's um, there's an accident or whatever, and I don't want to just go to work humping and clock in and work. I just want to sit down, relax, do my business before I start my day. Okay, guys, have a nice day and bye bye. I love you all.